Well, Apple just released a lot of cool new features on iPad for iOS 17. I want to share with you the top 5 features that help content creators make creating content effortless. Let's talk tech. How's it going? Will here from Will Talk Tech, and we're just going to dive right in. Now, here we are on my iPad, and the very first one is we're going to actually slide over, and it's going to be interactive widgets, as you can see. If I just tick this, you can see that it goes away. I never have to actually go into the app itself to get distracted and see all this other cool stuff. Now, right now, it's on the Reminders app. I'm waiting on OmniFocus to catch up. I have OmniFocus Things 3 are the main 2 apps I use. So I'm waiting on those to catch up. And as soon as they catch up, I'm definitely going to be creating a pretty cool dashboard that I'll share with you later on. The second feature that I like in iOS 17 has to be in the Notes app, which gives us the ability to cross-link now. So if we open up the Notes app really quickly, we can see that right here I have a demo folder, and if I click right here where it says this is saying something cool, I click that and it instantly brings me to note number 2. If I wanted to link back to note number 1, I can literally highlight any part of it. So if it was a keyword I was using or something like that, I could highlight it, right click, and then I could just say add link. Once I get here, I could put a URL or I could just start typing in, and you can see right here I can link back to note number 2. I could say done, and then when I click on it, it brings me back to note number 2. I really like this feature. Again, like I say, it's not as good as Obsidian. However, it is a super happy. I'm super happy that they brought it here because I can see multiple different ways of me using this inside of the Notes app. Pretty excited about that feature. My third favorite feature that I like that they updated has to be the automations. If we go over to automations now, we can see right now we are up under automations. This is the shortcuts app. We just click on automations. And this is a quick automation I set up for my daughter to go out every day at 3 o'clock when she get out of school. You can see right here, we now have run immediately, run after confirmation, or we can say don't run. The cool thing about this is now I can turn on run immediately. This means at 3 o'clock every day, if you remember, if you had an automation set up as a text message or something like that, it would be a push notification that will pop up and you will have to click that confirm the automation, then it will run. Now, when you click on run immediately, at that time at 3 o'clock, it's automatically triggered and it goes out to my daughter and me and her starts a conversation back and forth. That, I'm telling you, this is one of the best features, hands down, that came out in iOS 17, if not the best feature for me personally. If you're enjoying this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up so I'll know you like this kind of content so I won't be trying to figure it out. Vote with your like. Let's dig back in. Okay, so the next one has to be number 4 is Stage Manager. For example, right now, if you've been paying attention since I've been on the beta, I've been using the Stage Manager. This right here is the Stage Manager. I like it now because now I can somewhat position it how I want and it'll just go where I want it to go. I really, really, really like this. Now, I haven't been able to get mine to the point where I could have 4 apps up here at one time, but having 3 apps up here at one time or having 4 going straight down like this, I really like it. I can go full screen if I want. I absolutely leave my iPad default Stage Manager now. And when Stage Manager first came out, I wasn't doing that. And the next one, which is number 5 that I really like, is a part of Stage Manager. Now, it used to be a time where I have to drag this in, and once I drag it in, I could click and I could hold it and then I could drag it in. Now I don't have to do that. I can literally hold shift, click, and it brings whatever app into the same window. That, while seems really, really minor, I'm telling you, when you're in work mode, that is key. The last one I want to show you, which is the bonus, which is number 6, is what I really, really like, and I just used it on a shortcut recently that I just got finished creating. If you didn't watch that shortcut for the Ultimate Web Clipper, make sure you check it out. And that is this. If we come over here, we scroll down to shortcut. It used to be a time where they didn't have this here, where if you click on advanced, now you can allow deleting without confirmation. Allow deleting without confirmation just simply means that moving forward, when you create a shortcut, you don't have to sit there. If you got 10 items you want to delete, you don't have have to sit there and click confirm to all 10 items. You can toggle this on, and once you toggle it on, it's gonna pop up once. Once it pop up once, you can say have this set for everything always, and moving forward, it will just delete everything without confirmation. Now, inside the shortcuts, you can move it to the trash versus deleting it immediately. I always set mine to delete immediately because I kind of forget to go to the trash and empty it and it'd be wasting storage on my device. So that's how I do it. But this right here for me personally is a game changer because I'm telling you, it opens up between the automation, the stage manager, being able to really dive into, working and multitasking when I'm doing research and stuff like that is a game changer. When I'm able to create shortcuts and I'm able to delete a whole stack and not have to worry about it. And then that automation to just be able to just have it go out at a specific time, or when you hit a specific location or you get on a specific Wi-Fi, you no longer have to worry about a notification pop up and you click it to confirm it, then it runs the automation and automatically run it. I'm telling you, iOS 17 for content creators, it's good. It's real good. Till next time. Later.